everybody. Ma Terry here, along with, wait, I got two of them on my knees. There's Miss Shelby. Doesn't she look gorgeous? I just got her a new little hairpin. She absolutely rocks it. And wait a minute, where's Miss Lucy? There she is. Oh my gosh, that's my little girl. All right, so I thought I'd tell you what we're up to today. Go ahead, you guys. They like sitting in their little doggy beds. It's just going to be a quick video. What we're having in Southern California is rain, so I'm trying to set up my bedroom area. I'm trying to plan out my van build out for the summer, and then when I get back after my summer trip, then it's time to get into a RAV4 hybrid. All right, so I have a couple of questions for you guys. I put on my calendar OW. Does anybody know what OW is? I have no idea. I try to plan out things like meet up with travel grandma. Got it there. But what am I doing for that weekend? OW. I don't know. Oopsie, I made a mistake. Anyhow, so I thought I'd let everybody in on the plan. Basically, what I'm doing is before surgery, of course, getting the room ready and getting my van ready. Why? Because the minute I recover from the surgery, I'm getting the heck out of Dodge. I am. I miss traveling. It's a lot of fun. You know, who knows? I may travel alone, not alone. I don't know right now. I've gotten so many good suggestions from my chiropractor. Oh, by the way, yesterday I went in for a chiropractor treatment. I think it was the second one. He just lifted my neck up. I have headaches back here. And oh my gosh, for the first time in the longest time, I haven't been in any pain. It was absolutely amazing. He couldn't do any chiropractor in because I had the breast reduction, and you know, you can't lay on a table with these and mush these down, you know, while I'm recovering. So it's been what, 4 months? So yay, oh my gosh, it feels so good. It feels so good. First day in a long time I haven't been headachy. It's amazing. So I'm working on my van. I'm going to show you a video of Kate Creates. I love her van interior, so I'm going to do that for this summer because I have bulky things like my fans and everything, and they don't fit well into my drawers. So I'm going to try something like that. It's just going to be hit or miss for the next 3 weeks. So I will show you step by step what I'm doing. Then I have to run up to Redlands and get my tents. I want to do some tent camping this summer. Finish building out my van, have the surgery, recover April and May, and then leave. Leave when I feel good, and this way my van will be all prepared. I get to go. Yay! I'm so excited. What did I do today? Working on screw-ups with the VA hospital. You know, it works out to my advantage. I told you all before I have a bunion, and my doctor suggested a bunion corrector, and I think that's working for me. Yay, I'm so happy for that. But still I'm going to be seen by a podiatrist. Well, the one they had me scheduled for got 2 stars, and basically the reviews were, I wouldn't let a dying dog go to this guy. And I'm like, can we change it to someone that actually his patients like? So that was my morning so far. Now I'm going to go get some cabinets, put them in the closets below, get everything going. Oh my gosh. And you know what I say? We make plans and God smiles. He really does. So we'll see what happens this summer. I'm really looking forward to you know, I'm just going everywhere. That's it. You know, you guys have given me so many good suggestions, and I copy and paste them all, and it'll be nice to work out a map of where I'm going. I think I'm going up to like Orcas Island up in Washington. They're called like the San Juan Islands. Never been there. Leavenworth in Washington. That's a place like Germantown. So it is a German town. And I want to go back to South Dakota. So maybe I'll get to, what is that? Glacier National Park. Haven't been there in a couple of years. But yeah, during the summer, I'll just cut across up on the 80 or higher. It's a lot cooler up there. And yeah, I think I want to go to Niagara Falls, see the eternal flame, drop down, visit my family, and then head to Dollywood. I am so looking forward to Dollywood. I miss that place. Anyhow, I'm going to get off the phone now. I got to get this whole place organized. Get this organized today, and in about 2 days, I'm going to start working on my van rebuild. Most of the cabinets are torn out. Not sure about the last row of cabinets. I'm going to see how the crate idea works. And if I like it, maybe those cabinets will be torn out. Like I said, a lot of it, I'm doing it is because of uh, the fans and everything that I'm going to need to keep cool this summer are bulky. So they got to go. So it's like, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out. I love the way the van is set up, but the summer setup, it's like, oh my gosh. Anyhow, I'm hanging up the phone now, and I hope to see you all down the road. Bye.